Hello, today I'm going to tell you how to create an account on AWS and how to configure it in your system. AWS means Amazon Web Services. So for creating the account in AWS, you have to firstly go to on the Google and type aws.amazon.com. This window will appear and here you have to click on sign in to the console. Here there are two type of user, root user and IAM user. IAM user, it have some limitations, so you have to choose root user. And if you don't have account, you have to click on create a new account. It will ask your Gmail ID and you have to enter your password which you want to create. And one more thing, it will ask for the payment. It will you have to pay actually rupees 2, so you have to enter your card. Basically it is free for 12 months, so you can easily use it for 12 months. Then it will charge or you can deactivate it. So I have already an account, so I have entered my email ID and I have to click on next. Here you have to enter the password and click on sign in. And this is the window of AWS management console. This is all the service which is provided by AWS: compute, container, storage, mobile, IoT. You have to choose according to your for what you are going to use it. And from here you have to select the region, and you have to select Asia Pacific Mumbai AP-South-1. And for then you have to go on support, and that you have to click on documentation for configuring. For configuring AWS in your system, you have to firstly install the command line interface. For that you have to search here command line and click enter. Here you see that the different result for command line interface, so you have to choose this one using the AWS CLI AWS command line interface. You have to click on that. When you click on that, this window will appear. It is what is the AWS CLI, and then for installing the AWS CLI, there are two versions. You have to click on version 1, and you have to select in which you are going to install. For Windows, Mac, Linux, I am going to install on Windows, so I have to select Windows. Here it is available as 64-bit, 32-bit. You have to select according to your need. Like I am selecting 64-bit. And after clicking on that, the download will start, and you have to run that file. After the download end, this will appear in your download section. You have to double click on that and choose run. You have to install, next, I accept, next, install. It will take some while according to your system speed. As the installation is finished, you have to click on finish, and then simply you have to search for command promote. And here you see that user Lodhi means for my ID, it has been appear. And here we have to enter the command. We have to type here AWS space configure, and then we have to press enter. It will start to configure and change some setting of your system. After entering the enter, here you find AWS access key ID. It is asking for the ID. So for the ID you have to return on your account. You have to click on my security credentials. Here you find access keys, access key ID and secret access key. There are no access key available. You have to create. You can download the key file, or right now I am showing it. That is, you have to access key ID, you have to copy and simply you have to paste here, and then you have to press enter. Then it is asking for AWS secret access key. Then again you have to return secret access key. You have to copy this and here you have to paste it, and then you have to press enter. Now you see that default region name. So I have selected NAND. So you have to type here AP dash south dash 1, which I have told you earlier. Then you have to click enter. Default output format, you have to leave it as it is, and then you have to press enter. And now we have successfully configured AWS in my system. So my system is ready to transfer any data to AWS account using different access key and ID. And here you can create many new access key and ID, and from here you can delete or make inactive any key or ID if you think someone else had got your key and ID. So through this you can easily transfer the data. Thank you.